In the past few weeks, I've received tons of messages from people asking the same question. How are you able to create more than 3 videos a day on Google Video 3? A lot of you have tried using the Google Gemini app, switched browsers, or even tried different accounts. But still, you only get 3 trials per day, even though you are on Pro. Sounds familiar? Yeah, I've been there too. That's why I decided to create this step-by-step tutorial to show you exactly how I'm able to create unlimited videos every single day using Google View 3. Not just 3, not 10, but up to 50 videos per day if you want to. This method works for everyone, whether you're using a phone or a laptop, anywhere in the world. This might just be the shortest but most valuable video you'll find on YouTube today.
Do not start creating your video directly on Google Gemini. Do not create it. You're going to have a limit of 3 videos per day. So what should you do? This is what you should do. Come to your preferred browser and search for Flow Labs Veo 3. Flow Lab Veo 3 is also the same thing as Google Gemini. It is Google Labs, as you can see here. This is Google Labs. This is Flow, this is Veo 3, Google AI Studio. So it is still the same thing. If you try to create directly on Google Gemini, you're going to have the limitations of 3 videos in a day. So once you come to Google Flow, tap on Flow and log in with that email you activated. Log in with that same email you activated as a Pro account or your normal email. By the way, if you have not activated your Pro account, check the link in the description of this video to watch a tutorial on how you can activate your own 1-year free trial on Google Veo 3 without paying a dime. Now, once you're in a website like this, tap on Create with Flow. Once you tap on Create with Flow, then log in with your email that you have activated. So I'm logged in right now, and Flow updated their websites on 11/11 again. So you will just read through and then tap on Get Started. And this is my account. You can see my icon right here. If you tap on that icon, you're going to see the number of credits you have per month. So on this account, I still have my 1,000 credits. The last time I created a video on this website was last month. So I am here now with my 1,000 credits, and to create a video, I can now tap on New Project. So if you tap on New Project, you can describe whatever it is you want to create. You can describe whatever you want to create right here. If you want it to be in landscape or portrait, tap on this icon here and you can change it to portrait or landscape. So I'll leave this as landscape, and then you can change the output per prompt and describe your video here. If you use this method of creating your videos, you can create as many videos as possible. If you like, exhaust your 1,000 credits in one day. Try it out today.
Thank you for watching till the end. For easier and faster updates, join my WhatsApp or Telegram community. The link is in the description. I will see you in the next video.